Watching long videos without results, it bores me.
Grow fast on YouTube with AI. No fluff, just results.
So creating video with AI using VEO2 is costly, but I have an alternative. Alright, open your browser. Then you type in Google AI Studio. Alright. So the first link that pops up is Google AI Studio. You click on that. Now you take you to the platform. You need to accept some conditions. So you accept. Alright, now you have the chance to start creating your video. So you go to view. Alright, then you allow access. Allowing access means you have to sign in with your Gmail. Alright. So after signing your Gmail, it gives you free space to start creating your videos. Now you need a prompt. You paste in, then you click the run. This is our video created with VEO2 on Google AI Studio. Now you need to download it right after generation. The reason is this platform that it doesn't have a storage for storing this video. So right after creation, you need to download your video. And we have different resolution with the landscape and the portraits. Right. So let's create another video using the portraits. Now we copy another prompt from ChatGPT. Alright. Now we come back, we paste it, then we set our resolution to 9:16. Then we run it to create our video. Wow, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe.
This is Grow on YouTube with AI. If you want to grow faster, smarter, subscribe now.
Okay, so this is our portrait video format using the same prompt. Now you can download and it will go direct to your download folder on your PC. You can open and play it anytime. Alright, so sometimes it could happen like creating videos will not go on smoothly. You will see a prompt like failed to generate video, quota exceeded due to high demand. Right, there's a high demand on this platform because it's free. So in case it pop up like this, that doesn't mean it's not working. At this moment, this website is totally free, but we know AI, it can happen that the next day they will upgrade the system. Like it, subscribe. Thank you.